Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 in a custom trim and powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and recently detailed, so it's looking nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back seat, we have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some storage compartments underneath. And then in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as the both side seats having a little compartment built into the backrest, so you have more storage there too. And you have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 30,781 kilometers. And moving on to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, you have your cruise controls. And then to the left of the steering wheel, you have your tow haul mode, your 4x4 selector with 4 auto, so you can shift on the fly, and your lighting controls here. Then moving on here to your center info screen here, you have a little dial to the right, you have your digital speedometer, your trip 1 information, that's your mileage and fuel economy for said trip, trip 2, distance to empty, tire pressures, oil life or service information, you can look through it all, your trailer brake, engine hours, and settings for your screen. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And then you can look at your other apps such as your Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you can look at your trailer lights and your OnStar information or services. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with a trailer lineup view, so you can have an easier time hooking one up. And then moving down from that, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here. Pretty simple, easy to use. You have your remote tailgate release, so you can have it go down. Your hazards, traction control shut off, and then you have your trailer brake controller, USB, and a 12-volt power outlet here, so you can plug something into power charge. Then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders and a bunch of little cubbies, but then this does fold up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And I believe that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.